Okay. So now today we are going to discuss first of all repetition of this postfix and prefix operator. So how this operator actually works? Let me first tell the two things. The plus plus operator is actually called increment operator, and minus minus operator or double minus, this is called decrement operator. Now increment or decrement both has two version. That means post increment and pre increment, and on the other hand post decrement and pre decrement. So the same way we just like if we use minus minus with an operator, so we can say that that is a post decrement or post increment. Just like minus minus that has post decrement, it will be, and post increment pre decrement. Yes, anything not visible? Just a minute. Is the screen is not visible? Visible. Santu, might be some network issue might be there. Okay. So let's take few more example. Whatever example we have discussed, let it go. First of all, I'm discussing from the beginning. So first, I will discuss about the pre and post decrement. Today we will discuss about basically decrement because last day just I have explained the meaning only. I have not taken any example. So let's see. Suppose I'm just writing one expression, for example, where s equal to, suppose I'm writing, all of you can write in your copy also, so that calculation you can do better way. Just like here I'm taking few more variable, for example, where x equal to, I'm taking 7, and where y equal to, I'm taking, for example, 4. Now I will create one expression. Okay, someone is there. So now these two values or variables I have stored. Now I will create one simple expression. All of you must concentrate. Here I am writing first expression minus minus x plus 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 y minus x minus minus into y plus plus. Suppose this is my first expression. Now we have to calculate the value of s. So stepwise I'm just showing you. So whenever any doubt, then and there you should ask question. Okay. So first of all, how you can proceed within for this kind of operation? Just like you should consider the right side operation. Here you can see minus minus x. So what we can call this minus minus x here, pre-decrement. The word I'm using here, pre-decrement. Now for pre-word, what is the general rule? First update, then use. First update, then use means what? First of all, you have to update the value here. So how we have to update here? Here minus minus is given, so that means you have to update by 1. So here I'm doing rough calculation, so each step I'm showing. So I will not run this in browser, I'm just showing you the step of calculation. So that's why. So earlier my value is 7, since I'm doing pre-decrement, so 7 minus 1. First of all I will use 7 minus 1. So after that 7 minus 1, when I'm doing is there, so 7 minus 1, the value will be 6. So here also I am writing the value, fresh value. So s equal to, first of all, because of minus minus x, the value will be 6. After that, This plus is a normal arithmetic operation or normal arithmetic plus addition. After that again plus y. So plus is before y. So we can again say this is a pre-increment operator. So for y, how we can calculate? So we'll write 4 plus 1, or simply we'll calculate first and then we'll use it. So 4 plus 1, 5. 4 plus 1, 5. Wait a minute. Many people are coming now. So for this y, it becomes 5. Now again one arithmetic minus symbol is there. So now I'm using the minus, arithmetic minus. Now again x plus plus. Here, from here you have to understand properly. Here it is given x minus minus. So which is coming first, the operator or the operand? The operand is coming first. That is x is coming first. After that minus minus symbol is coming. So what does it mean? This is the post operation. Post. So that means what? First use then update. That means what? You have to first use the value of last value of x. So what was the last value of x? You will not consider 7. You will consider the last updated value of 7. That is 7 minus 1, 6. So here you will insert 6, and after that you will further subtract from the 6 1, and after that arithmetic multiply symbol is there. So here I'm just using asterisk, and then y plus plus is there. So again, what is this operator? Post operator. So what does it mean? You will use the last or updated value of y. So what was the last updated value of y? 5. And then we'll do the updation. So here we'll do 4 plus 1 plus 1. So ultimately this becomes the simple operative value. Now from here, normal using Bodmer's rule, you can simply find the value. So what will be the value? Simply stepwise you can do calculation. First multiply you can do, that means 6 plus 5 minus 30. After that, so it will become plus operation, 11 minus 30, and ultimately it will become 19. So this 19 will be the final answer. In this way, simple calculative question can come in exam. With this, I can assign few percentage operator. Let me take another example for better understanding purpose. So, and I need the answer from all of you. I'm just whatever equation I'm writing here, you should write in your copy, and then you tell me the final result. So all of you write with me. Where x equal to, suppose I'm taking here 9 semicolon, and the variable where y equal to, I'm taking here 11. Now here I'm taking one expression where s equal to, suppose I'm taking minus minus y percent 2 plus x minus, x minus minus into 2. Let's do this one, simple one. All of you try to do this one. All of you do your work and then tell me either in the chat. Better to write in the chat section so everybody can see. Either you can directly do in the chat section calculation. You can do directly there. All of you try this sum so that it will be, you can easily understand the concept. This is quite good area where you should understand the concept, and if any doubt is coming you can ask. Okay, Aishi, 18. So Aishi has already answered 18. Anybody else? So let's start the calculation. So first of all you can see, okay, Saptarshi also 18 is answered. Okay, so let's see how we can calculate. So minus minus y is there. So okay, Smriti also 18. Minus minus y is there, so y you can say see 11 is there and minus minus is there. That means what? Pre-decrement. So I have to decrease the value of y by 1. So now it becomes 10. Then percent symbol is there, so I will use the simple percent symbol. After that 2 is there, so after that plus is there, sorry, plus operator is there. Then x minus minus, so which value, what value I can use for x? Here x minus minus, that means post decrement, so I will use first x, that means the value of x is 9, and after that in the memory only I can reduce the value 9 minus 1, but that value I will not use it here because after that no value is used for x. Then multiply by 2. Now here is the situation, what will be the result of this? So you can see 10% to 10% to, what will be the result? Percent means the remainder operation or remainder division. So if we divide 10 by 2, the remainder will be 0, plus 9 into 2, it will be 18. So ultimate result will be 18. Very good. Those who have answered, you are correct. Answer will be 18. I think this is understood by everybody. Tell me now if anybody has any doubt. Simran, now still any doubt is there? Okay, very good. Okay, now 10, tell again, once again, repeat. What? 10% to how it's come 0? Okay, it is a remainder division. Already we have explained in terms of arithmetic operation. Percent division. Normal, if we do the slash here, so if we do simply slash, so then the result will be 5. That means 10 slash 2, normal division will be 5. But if we do percent operation, then it will consider the remainder. So if you divide 10% 2, that means 10 divided by 2, and if you take the remainder, what will be the remainder? Remainder will be 0, because 2 5 j 10, there will be no remainder, so remainder will be 0. So that's why. Okay. Okay, so I think now this part is clear to everybody. So here few more operators are there. After till now we have discussed arithmetic operator, this increment decrement operator. Now the next, also this part also we have discussed earlier. These are the very important one. The main important point you should remember, this kind of operator, equal to, not equal to, greater than, less than, greater than, equal to, and not equal to. These are called, tell, where in the PDF. Yeah, tell me where. This one. This, yeah. That is a not equal to symbol. That is a not equal to symbol. Not equal to. When I am checking whether the two values are equal or not, let me explain the things in brief. These are called, you can say, relational operator. These are called relational operator, or sometimes it can be called comparison operator. Why comparison? Because I am comparing two value. Comparison operator. So how it works? Suppose I have two value, for example, where a equal to suppose 10 and where b equal to suppose 20. Now I want to check the relation between these two operator. So if I want to check whether two values are equal or not, so here I am writing it, c equal to a equal to b, a equal to b. So double equal to means what? Double equal to will check whether these two values are equal or not. So this is called equal to operator, or simply equality operator. Next, suppose if you want to check whether two values are not equal or not, whether these two values are unequal or not, so then you can use this not equal to symbol. Not equal to symbol, exclamation symbol, and equal to, exclamation, equal to. This is called not equal to symbol. Not equal to, not equal to symbol. Okay, so let me recall the values for this. That means if I run this program, run this area, what will be the output for this? If I write here C equal to A equal to B, tell me what will be the output. Who can remember? Not true. So what will be the answer? Not true means what? In short, what we can say? False. That only you say na. So not true means false. And what will be the result for this? Yes, very good. Because they are not equal. Very good. And then in the same way, equal to A greater than B. Next, suppose if I write F equals to A less than B, sorry, or any other operator greater than equals to, less than equal to, these are the thing. But one question, very important question will be asked here, a short question. What is the difference between equal to and double equal to operator? Can anybody explain? Very good. Okay, very good. Which actually compares two values. That is absolutely correct. Now coming to the logical operator. Basically, logical operator are of three types, but is this logical operator? Okay, let me explain it now. After that, again, when we'll do if else statement, that time we'll discuss this deep. Then also today, let me discuss this logical operator. So nothing will be left. Logical operator. Now let's see. There are three types of logical operator. Everybody concentrately just see to this concept. It will be this whatever again I'm saying that whatever operator we are discussing now, and this operator you have to remember each moment, because whenever we'll do quite larger program or logic based program, that time this kind of operator will be used in each moment, every moment. And you have to know the concept of this operator. So concentrate see to this. So logical operator, how many kinds of logical operator? There are three kinds of logical operator, namely uh, sorry, and, or, and not. In terms of this JavaScript or Java, the logical operator is actually, the symbol for logical operator is double ampersand. For this or operator, the symbol is double line character, means like parallel lines. And for not, already we have seen the exclamation symbol is for not operator. Now, what is the use of this kind of operator? For example, I'm just taking a simple example. Suppose I have given one assignment to all of you, means all class 11 web app students. I have given suppose one assignment. Now I've given one date that you have to submit it to school, and there I have given one instruction. The instruction is this, that if any students fails to submit the assignment, I will deduct the marks for all students. That means what? Suppose there are 50 students, and if any student, that means any one student fails to submit the assignment, I will deduct the marks for all. I know this is unfair, but I'm just taking this example. So, what does it mean? That means all student has to follow the instruction. All student has to follow the instruction. The word I'm using here, all student. Now, I'm taking one another example on the same basis. Suppose if I ask what is the rule for what is the rule when I want to draw a triangle using three sides. Suppose I have three sides A, B, C. What is the rule to draw three sides using given three sides? What is the rule? Can anybody say? Can anybody tell the answer? What is the rule? That how I can check whether these three sides A, B, C can draw a triangle. Normal mathematics logic. You're just 11. Just you have First out class 10. Simple concept. Anybody? Ayushi, tell. Ayushi? Simran, you are correct, but partially correct. But partially not correct. You are here. It is wrong. Quite one mistake you have done. Anybody? No, no. I'm asking about the sides, Ayushi. Listen to the question. Okay, let me write the question here. Suppose three sides are there. Very interesting thing. Three sides are there. Three sides are given. Check whether this side, these sides can draw a triangle or not. Everybody listen and try to answer the question. Draw a triangle or not. Triangle or not. Damodara? Yeah, obviously. Anybody. Yes, that is the rule. So what rule is there? Sum of any two side must be greater than the third side. So sum of any two side. I'm asking here sum of any two side. That means if I take here a plus b, I'm taking first these two sides. A plus b, this should be greater than c. This is the first. Next, if I take the second option, a plus c, it should be greater than b. And the third option is there, b plus c greater than a. So all these criteria, all these three criteria should fulfill, then only a triangle can be possible. So again, I am using the word all these criteria. That means this and this and this, all these three criteria. And for that purpose, I have to use the logical operator ampersand when I need to check whether all my conditions are correct or not. In that case, we have to use the AND operation or simply AND logical operator. Is it clear for everybody? Is it clear for everybody? Sure. I will ask a separate next question and randomly I can ask. Aishi, now don't tell the answer. You have answered one question. Okay, let me ask Rishabh and Saptorshi is there. Okay. So Rishabh, you be ready. So tell me what will be the result of this expression. Suppose I'm taking few example where a equals to 10 semicolon, where b equals to 30 semicolon. Anybody can answer obviously. Just unmute until only Rishabh will speak, and rest you can simply answer on the chat, but quickly before Rishabh. Rishabh, you be ready. Okay, so these three variable I've taken. Now here I'm using one simple condition, just like tell me what will be the result of D. Rishabh, try to answer. I'm with you. Okay, quickly answer. Okay, very good. False. Now why? Can you explain? Is what? Okay, let me explain. Let me explain. Actually, okay, I'm explaining. Okay. So here you can see three values are there. Everybody must concentrate on this sum. This kind of things will be asked. This kind of things will be asked in exam. Okay. So where A, B, C, there are three values assigned. Now here I am writing d equal to a less than c. That means what? First you check the value with d, that a is 10, c is 15. So 15, okay, I'm writing in the side. So first case 10 less than 15. This is a true situation. Next is b greater than a. That means 30 greater than 10. This is also a true situation. And the third situation is there 30 less than 15. This is a false situation. So ultimately, in case of AND operation, since I have used AND operation, in case of AND operation, if any of the operation becoming false, the whole operation will become false, or the result of the whole operation will become false. Again, I am repeating, in case of AND operation, if one single operation is resulting into false situation, the whole operation result will be false. Is my point clear to everybody? Or tell me? Okay. Or if and tell ask. 15. It is false because here I have combined all the condition. You are telling true things, that the two conditions are true and one is false, because of that everything gone false. Yes, because I am using the AND operation. Again, I am just taking one simple example. Suppose you are three friends, Rishabh, where is the name list? Okay, suppose Rishabh, Saptorshi, and Santu. Three friends are there, and I have assigned a work to all three. That means Rishabh, Santu, and Saptorshi will do a work. Now, for some reason, Rishabh has failed to do the work. Then, what I am telling, if any student is failing among you, so I will not accept the work. So, means what? Because of one condition, the whole condition gone false. Is it clear now? Okay. So this is AND operation, and now tomorrow we'll discuss the further on topic on OR operation and NOT operation. Okay. So I think up to today's part it is clear to everybody. I am going. Tell, bolo. Tell. That is the situation of general things, but it is kind of programming language. That's why we have to follow that kind of rule. And